Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Okay, so today we are going to do cognition. I will ask from the vocabulary because in primary one there is no summary pointers. So this is without opening the laptop, of course. I will start from bahasa Indonesia. Apa itu pasukan?
Pasukan itu adalah sekelompok orang di mana mereka menyelesaikan suatu tugas atau tanggung jawab secara bersama-sama. Seperti itu.
Sarung?
Sarung itu adalah kain atau pakaian yang digunakan untuk menutupi suatu benda. Nah, sarung ini adalah terbuat dari benang atau kain seperti ini. Nah, jadi sarung ini berfungsi sebagai untuk dipukul sarung bantal atau sarung guling seperti ini.
Montir?
Montir adalah orang yang dapat memperbaiki sebuah kendaraan. Montir itu adalah seseorang yang bisa memperbaiki kendaraan yang rusak seperti mobil. Ketika mobil rusak, maka kita memanggil atau menelpon montir yang khusus untuk bisa memperbaiki mobil atau motor tersebut seperti itu.
Okay, computer. Desktop. What is desktop?
Desktop is the main screen on computer. So the desktop is where we can see all the icons and the programs, and then we can find the icons, and then we can open the file on the computer when we want to use it.
Icon, what is icon?
Icon is a small picture on the desktop. So icon is a small picture on the desktop. So we can click and open things in the icons when we want to use or open the file.
The things, what do we call it? The things. You said open the things. So the things in the computer, what do we call?
A file or program.
Okay, shut down.
Shutdown is to turn off the computer. Shutdown is when you shut down the computer and then you stop and then the computer is stop working. So when you do this, it means like when you already finished to using your computer for the day.
Kipas. Alun-alun.
Alun-alun itu adalah sebuah tempat yang terbuka. Nah, jadi alun-alun itu adalah sebuah tempat terbuka yang berada di kota, di mana banyak orang yang bisa berkumpul di situ untuk bermain, bersantai, berduduk atau melakukan kegiatan acara gathering seperti itu.
Berjemur.
Berjemur itu adalah kegiatan duduk di bawah sinar matahari. Nah, jadi berjemur itu kita bisa seperti kegiatan untuk duduk atau kita bisa berbaring di bawah sinar matahari, karena kita bisa melakukan berjemur itu pada pagi hari ya, karena berjemur di pagi hari itu bagus untuk kesehatan tulang, untuk vitamin D seperti itu.
Oke, perbedaan arah barat, timur, utara ini apa, Miss?
Perbedaan arah barat, timur, dan utara. Kalau barat itu kita pelajari di mana matahari terbenam di sebelah barat, artinya matahari tidak tampak lagi di sebelah barat untuk di saat menjelang malam seperti itu. Kalau timur itu adalah di mana matahari terbit di sebelah timur, di mana matahari muncul di sebelah timur, di mana itu pada saat pagi hari. Nah, kalau bagian utara itu adalah bagian arah mata angin yang menuju ke utara, di mana ketika kita mengarah ke timur, di mana matahari terbit, maka di sebelah kiri kita itu adalah bagian utara. Nah, di mana itu lawan arah dari bagian selatan seperti itu.
Kenapa nggak dibuat ditambah di sini selatan? Kenapa hanya 3?
Tapi memang kemarin saya jelaskan lawan kata utara itu selatan.
Oh, ada yang singgung tentang selatan.
Iya. Lawan kata timur, barat, utara, selatan.
Berarti mereka udah paham lah ya. Now we move to health education. Twice.
Twice is when you do something 2 times. Twice is when you do something 2 times, and for example, when you jump once and then you jump again, and then it means like you make it 2 times, right? Like for example, like when you clap your hand one time and then 2 times like that. So you clap your hand twice like that. Scrub is rubbing to make clean something. So scrubbing is when you to clean something, and then to clean something by rubbing it hard with hard.
So what do you usually use? To scrub your body?
Yeah, usually we use brush and then
Brush to your body?
brush. I mean, no brush
To your teeth.
to your teeth, scrubbing your teeth. And then usually you can use brush and then cloth, and then to remove the dirt. Yes.
Okay. English. Cave house.
Cave house is house built in cave. So cave house is when a house built inside the cave or on a cliff. So cave house made from stone and or earth. So and then cave house can keeping it warm from or in cold weather. Yard is around 10 for living. So yard is around 10 for around 10 for living, and typical built made from wood or fabric. And then in a yard there are beds and fireplace. So when you in there you can feel cozy.
So this is like house?
Yes, houses. But have in the yard also have stairs.
Oh yes.
Yes. In bahasa rumah panggung.
Don't you think yard is used for camping?
Yard? No means.
No.
Camping used to tent. And but yard is mean like typical house, typical round tent, typical house like that. So inside the yard there are beds and then fireplace and then stairs. But tent
Doesn't have it.
Yeah, doesn't have.
Oh, okay. So this is different with tent, yeah.
Different.
Because your explanation around 10 for living.
Around 10.
Around 10, right?
Around 10. Maybe because the shape is
Like a pen, but not a pen.
but not 10. called a round pen, but made from wood or fabric.
Okay. Houseboat.
Houseboat is the boat designed as house. So houseboat is when the boat designed used for a house and then actually can float on the water like river or lake.
So if yard.
Yard is outdoor area around house. So yard is outdoor area around our home. So in there are like grassy and then flower, and then you can garden in there like that. So in that you can enjoy with your family, and then you can grow a flower, and then you can gardening in there. Waves is moves hand right and left. So waves, it means like when you moving your hand right and left, and then when you to say to greet something, and then when you want to say goodbye for someone. So that is a fun way to greeting something or to someone, or when you say goodbye to someone, and when you find something, and when you find someone like that.
Science.
Required is to need something very important and very important. So required is when you need something to do a task. For example, you needing helping to finish your homework like that, and then if you have a picture, you need a client to finishing your picture like that. So that is required like that. Heat is warm that make things hot. So heat is when the things can what things can warm and then hot. And for example, when you teach something and then you teach something hot, and for example you feel your skin feel hot, so that is heat.
Okay, we move to homework. I think the question in this homework so easy is, do you like germs? Even K1 also can answer. No, I don't. Yes, I do. This is not proper. This is not suitable anymore to primary one, Miss.
Because in our book, any sentence like we don't like germs.
Yeah, this is too easy, Miss. Don't like this now.
Okay.
Do you like germs? Yeah, of course the answer is no.
Sometimes students not focus, they can answer
No.
yes, I know. Kan ada yang
It's better you make what is germ?
already.
The
That's
answer
wrong.
of the question. Or maybe you can switch the meaning of germ. For example, blah 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 is called A germ, B this one, C this one, like that. So they can think it like this. They just no, I don't like. So they choose. There is only one no. Yes, they will circle the B, for example. That's too easy. So for the next, I don't want to like this anymore. rubbing to make things clean. True or false?
What is
Scrub is rubbing to make things clean.
true?
Why?
Because when you take a bath, you want your body clean, right? So you're scrubbing your hand, you're scrubbing your body.
So how many times actually we need to brush our teeth in a day?
At least twice a day.
Okay, this is bahasa Indonesia. Oke, dari sebuah cerita ya kan, ada cerita berarti di bahasa Indonesia ini. Apa yang dilakukan oleh pasukan kuman terhadap gigi kita?
Oh, pasukan kuman dapat membuat gigi kita terasa sakit dan berlubang.
Jadi apa yang digunakan Nia untuk membersihkan kamarnya?
Sapu ijuk.
Jadi apa itu pasukan?
Pasukan itu adalah sekelompok orang yang bersatu untuk mengerjakan sesuatu hal atau tanggung jawab seperti itu. Nah kalau di cerita ini tuh ya pasukan kuman gitu yang sama-sama merusak gigi kita, membuat gigi kita berubah.
So the main screen on a computer is called as the main screen on a computer.
Desktop.
A small picture that shows something is called
Icon.
the function of shutdown button.
Shutdown button.
The function of shutdown button.
Based on pictures.
No. Number 3, the question. This is multiple choice. The function of shutdown button is
To turn off computer.
okay. Science. So what is a place to plug in devices?
Socket.
What does an iron can produce?
Heat.
Why like? Try to think. I thought you were dreaming. So what is the thing that we throw away? What is the thing that we throw away?
Waste.
What?
Waste.
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 Waste, yeah.
Wasting time. Waste.
Yes, waste, not worst. Yeah, which is one. Okay. So small parts that store energy for things like batteries is called as a
Cells.
So what are fan, blender, and refrigerator?
Electrical appliances.
So what does electrician use to repair the appliances? What does the electrician use to repair the appliances?
Special tool.
Alright. I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. I just want to give an input here that for the question, don't make too easy, yeah. Make the question like to ask them to think. Yeah. If like just no, yes, no, both of them, it's too easy, I think. Yeah. So find a question that more challenging today. I think only that. For the rest, you could experience now. So you must use evaluation.
Thank you, Miss.